unlocking the mystery of to rack your brains. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations, to rack your brains. Have you ever come across this expression and wondered what it really means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this mystery together and learn how to use it effectively in our daily English. The phrase, to rack your brains, refers to the act of thinking very hard or concentrating intensely in an attempt to remember something or solve a problem. The word, rack, in this context implies stretching or straining, much like using a rack to stretch something physically. So, when you're racking your brains, you're stretching your mental capacity to its limits, trying to dredge up information or come up with a solution. Ever wondered where this phrase comes from? To rack your brains has its origins in the torture device known as a rack, used in medieval times to extract confessions from prisoners by stretching them. Metaphorically, when you rack your brains, you're putting your mind through a tough process, trying to extract information or ideas from it. Using to rack your brains in sentences is quite straightforward. It's often used when someone is trying hard to remember something or solve a challenging problem. Here are a few examples. I've been racking my brains all day trying to remember where I left my keys. We need to rack our brains to come up with a creative solution for this project. Notice how it can be adapted to refer to individual or collective effort depending on the context. When learning this phrase, there are a couple of common mistakes to watch out for. 1. Confusing rack with rack. While rack is a word in English, in the phrase, to rack your brains, the correct spelling is rack. 2. Using it in the wrong context. Remember, this phrase is specifically about trying hard to remember something or solve a problem. It's not suitable for physical efforts or general difficulties. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, to rack your brains. We hope this video has clarified its meaning, origins, and usage for you. Next time you're straining to remember something or solve a tricky problem, you'll know exactly how to describe what you're doing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your daily English. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.